say who's on the video with MakeupShae. What it do? What's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time liking, commenting, sharing anything on my channel, y'all,
yo,
What's up?
and if you are already a subscriber, already a supporter, you already know what it is. Welcome. That's all I gotta say is welcome. So y'all, today's look is this popping ass, dramatic ass look. You can't really see it right now, which I wish you could see it, but these bangs is in the way. But I really wanted some bangs. I didn't know it was gonna be this bangy though, so y'all don't mind the bangs, okay? So first off, happy Valentine's Day, y'all. I know it is early, like bitch, it's only in the middle of January. Why are you talking about Valentine's Day? I just wanted to get these videos out. So Valentine's Day is right around the corner, or close to it. So I just wanted to get these Valentine's Day looks out. So happy Valentine's Day, my loves. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is MakeupShae. I'm your girl Shay, of course. So today's video is this dramatic Valentine's Day look, makeup tutorial, whatever you want to call it. So y'all just sit down, relax, grab your tea, grab your coffee, grab your wine, grab your little secret conversation hearts, because I know they sell them in a Dollar Tree. Okay, they selling Valentine's at Dollar Tree, y'all. So this is just get ready with me for a date with my man. Yes. So today I will be using the Morphe palette, the one that I got in my what I got for Christmas, which I will have linked up in the cards if you're interested in seeing, which I unboxed everything. And then I did also do a review on the Morphe 35B palette with Lisa Frank. If you want to see that in-depth, brutally honest review, I will also have that in the cards. So we are using the Morphe and Lisa Frank palette, and we are also using the Morphe 39A Dare to Create Artistry palette. My dog is so damn rude. Bella! But y'all, I thank y'all for watching. I thank y'all for clicking. I thank y'all for supporting. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, as well as tap that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you are liking what you are seeing so far, make sure you tap that like button, you guys, okay? Show your girls some love. It's Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day. I love you guys. I love you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. on, let us get into doing this hair. Let's do something with this hair. Okay, so I already got it all nice and pinned up and gelled up and all that, edges down, edges laid. So I'm going to put it in a nice little furry, I don't know why I said furry, but I'm going to put it in a bun. Ooh, first I'm going to blend that out, sis. No, much better. Alright, so here is my ponytail. This is like 4 days old from a wash and comb and gel and all that stuff. So I'm just going to put it in a bun. That's all.